Hewlett-Packard Enterprise believes information technology has the power to change the world and help solve the world's toughest challenges. Technology has the potential to contribute immensely to the vision of New India by driving holistic and inclusive social-economic advancement.
One of the core purposes of Hewlett-Packard Enterprise is to advance the way people live and work. And that's also our purpose for our CSR initiative. Whatever work we do as a part of CSR activity is ensure that we endorse our core purpose and ensure that we meet the expectation of citizens, society, and in all the work we ensure that even the employee also gets connected to our CSR purpose and objective.
HPE Social Good is an endeavor to proactively resolve critical challenges that exist in the healthcare and education sectors, primarily in rural India.
We started working as a part of our CSR activity to drive these two initiatives in far-flung area where the primary education and health are not provided and we don't have the sufficient resources.
Enabling affordable healthcare in India such that it reaches the last mile has been of paramount importance under the Social for Good initiative. Taking healthcare to the doorstep of a patient via cloud-enabled technology is the key factor that has made all the difference to patients who could not afford even the basic healthcare facilities. Let's take a look at some of the e-health centers set up by HPE across India and how it has positively impacted their lives.
So Pimpri-Chinchwad is a growing town and it has grown since last two decades at a humongous pace of 7% a year, roughly around 71% a decade. So if you look at this, whatever we try to provide through municipal corporation services, the health services, medical facilities are always going to be in short supply for the people who are always coming in, new migrants coming into the city.
आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर हूँ तो आंगनवाड़ी में मैं छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाती हूँ।
Shailaja is not just a homemaker but also a social worker in her society. She hails from the lower income group and has been an Anganwadi worker at Balaji Nagar in Pimpri-Chinchwad since the last 8 years. She's an all-rounder and is extremely hard-working.
ये क्लिनिक 1 साल से खुल गया है तो इसका हमारे यहाँ स्लम एरिया में बहुत ही बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ है। हमारे घर में अगर कोई बीमार हो तो जल्द से जल्द सुविधा मिल जाती है। अगर आजू बाजू में कोई हमारे सर्वे में बीमार पड़ गया तो जल्द से जल्द औषधि भी मिलती है और वहाँ के डॉक्टर नर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं। हमारे एरिया को बालाजी नगर को उस क्लिनिक का बहुत ही सपोर्ट हुआ है।
वो इधर बालाजी नगर डिस्पेंसरी है, इधर पेशेंट को मेडिसिन मिलता है तो जल्दी दूसरे जगह जाने नहीं मांगता उसको, तो बस 5 मिनट के अंदर ये वो पेशेंट इधर आ सकता है। और वो जो भी प्राइमरी ट्रीटमेंट उसको मिलती है कि सर्दी खांसी कुछ लगा तो वो ट्रीटमेंट उधर मिलती है यहाँ पे।
The HPE eHealth Center is a simple and easy to deploy solution built on a framework that leverages cutting-edge technologies to provide the best of healthcare infrastructure at affordable costs to citizens. The specialized team of paramedics ensures that each patient is given ample individual attention right from the registration process to the consultation and follow-ups.
This project done by HP is benefited in our slum area. Poor women, poor citizens, elder citizens, they are benefited by this activity. Where in the current scenarios, all the smart utilities, all the smart activities which are undertaken by HPE in this project.
Today I'm proud to say that from eHealth Center, we have installed more than 130 odd eHealth Center. These are digitally equipped with the latest technology and cloud-enabled platform where we provide the eHealth services to the last mile where the community services are not available.
Funding for the eHealth centers is structured categorically to ensure a smooth running to benefit patients with the best possible use of technology and manpower.
HP fully funds the setting up of the eHealth centers, and once we complete the build of the eHealth centers, we donate the same to the local hospital or to the state department or to one of the NGOs which specialize in primary health care.
Shailaja is one of the many patients who've been benefited from the services of the eHealth Center in Pimpri. Cutting across age groups, the center sees a footfall of about 50 to 100 patients daily with varying issues that need medical attention. We spoke to another such beneficiary from the clinic.
बीमारी को अभी खोखला भी आता है, सर्दी आता है, परत ये जो अपना बहुत हाथ पैर जो दुखता है ना, वो ही होता है. उसीलिए दवाखाने से गोलियां लेते हैं.
HP approached us for e-cloud enabled or e-health centers, which they are using artificial intelligence for health checkup and providing services. So since last more than 6 months, we are trying to provide those services in our Pimpri-Chinchwad Balaji Nagar slum area.
Through the Social Good Initiative, HPE has ensured that those who are in dire need of medical aid from the deprived sections of society can avail of technology-driven medical aid and thereby have a better quality of life across the country.
In the health space, we are supplementing the work done in primary health centers through the use of technology, which is cloud-enabled, IoT-based. It's an open electronic medical record, and it also allows teleconsultation. With this, you provide access in remote and far-flung areas to citizens, and we've done 130 of these health centers where more than 1 million patients have had access over the last 5 years.
Partnering HPE in this noble endeavour in Bareilly is Sri Ram Murthy Smarak Trust, or the SRMS Trust. The eHealth centres provide a number of diagnostic services such as a CBC, blood sugar testing, an ECG, spirometers for lung testing and so on.
HP कंपनी के साथ हम लोग ने कंटेनर ओपीडी शुरू करी है लखीमपुर में. 2002 में श्री राममूर्ति स्मारक ट्रस्ट ने श्री राममूर्ति इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज की स्थापना की. तब से हम लोग का एक फोकस रहा है कि समाज को मेडिकल सुविधा बहुत कम दाम पे और उच्च स्तर की, विश्व स्तर की सेवा उनको अवेलेबल कराए.
Hailing from a tiny village of the Pehri, Kanman, near Bareilly, Farida is a mother to 5 daughters and lives with her husband in a small dilapidated hut. Her husband, who is a daily wage earner, makes ends meet by taking up odd jobs daily at nearby farms or factories. Living in a conservative society, coupled with severe financial constraints, it is nearly impossible for Farida and her family to get access to affordable healthcare.
मुझे बताया था वहाँ के लिए, तो काफ़ी लगभग एक साल होने वाली है अब गर्मियों में, तो मैं वहाँ दवाई के लिए गई थी, वहाँ से मुझे फ़ायदा हुआ था और मैं अपने बच्चों की भी दवाई लाई थी वहाँ से।
Yes, this center came into existence in 2015 and it has been there since 2015, and with the collaboration of HPE and SRMS Trust, this is the best utilization of technology in providing the healthcare to the remote rural areas of Bareilly.
Her dreams of securing a healthy and better future for her daughters have encouraged Farida to make regular visits to the e-health center at Bhairpura near Bareilly. The HPE Social Good Initiative is advancing by great leaps and bounds as it now progresses to screen nearly 50,000 patients affected by tuberculosis across the country, with the groundwork having already started in Assam and Uttar Pradesh.
So we keep looking at how to ensure that we enhance the capability of those things, ensure that some of these equipments are updated and latest with a reduced cost and also betterment for the solution perspective.
We have got capabilities in our IoT, AI and ML portfolio, where you can look at environmental things like what is the humidity, what is the pollution levels, and you can look at your footfalls that are coming into your e-health center.
After the break, we see how HPE digital classrooms are acting as a catalyst in changing lives, one learner at a time. Divya has stayed with her grandparents and relatives for almost her entire life in Malkapur, Maharashtra. Her father, who is a carpenter, barely manages to make ends meet for a growing family of 4 back in Madhya Pradesh. With a dream of securing a better future for herself and her family, Divya has beaten all odds to continue her education and empower herself through the HPE Social Good digital classroom.
मेरे मम्मी पापा बरहानपुर में रहते हैं एमपी में, मैं यहाँ पर मामा के पास में रहती हूँ। वहाँ पर पढ़ने के लिए नहीं था व्यवस्था, इसके लिए यहाँ पर आई मामा के पास पढ़ने के लिए। बहुत कुछ सिखाया, मतलब फ्री में है, और पैसों की व्यवस्था, मतलब पैसों की टेंशन नहीं, वहाँ पर फ्री में सिखाता है। एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट, पेंट, गूगल पर कैसे चलाते हैं, कंप्यूटर कैसे हैंडल करते हैं, अपन अलग अलग देशों की कैसे सूचनाएँ निकाल सकते हैं, जानकारी। वैसे पास में तो नहीं है कंप्यूटर, पर लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के सब कुछ देख सकते हैं। जो लेक्चर में नहीं समझे वो कंप्यूटर पर समझ सकते हैं।
पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, मुझे भी कुछ करना था पर नहीं कर पाई, पर मैं तो चाहती दिव्या कुछ करे, कुछ बने, कुछ कर। कंप्यूटर सीख रही है तो उसको काम में आना चाहिए, पढ़ाई लिखाई।
The struggle to get a foothold in this society and to break all norms has encouraged Sheetal Rajput, a mother of 2, to complete her education 16 years post-marriage.
मेरी 10वीं हुई तो एक विषय गैप रह गया था मेरा, और शादी हो गई, और शादी के 16 साल बाद मैंने वो एक विषय निकाल के 12वीं अभी पिछले साल कंप्लीट करी, और इस साल बीए में हूँ। उसकी हिसाब से हमें अभी जो नॉलेज मिल रहा, वो पहले अगर 10-20 साल पहले मिल जाता तो आज हम कुछ करके दिखाते ही है, लेकिन आगे भी 10 साल बाद हम कुछ करके ही दिखाएंगे।
Since attending the course at the HPE Social Good digital classroom, Sheetal has found various avenues to innovate and use her creative ideas into businesses.
खाना बनाए, उसमें रेसिपी अलग अलग देखी कि ऐसा लगता है अरे हमने कुछ अब तक कुछ सीखा ही नहीं, तो वो अलग हो जाता। पढ़ाई का करे कुछ तो उसमें भी बहुत आगे आगे जाओ तो अलग अलग रास्ते दिखते हैं, और ऐसा लगता है अपन ने कुछ किया ही नहीं, किसी ने रास्ता दिखाया ही नहीं।
With a vision to transform and digitally empower India one individual at a time, the digital classroom set up under the HPE Social Good initiative has created a sense of hope and confidence among aspiring students from the economically backward section of society for a brighter future.
Through our e-education program into the school, we have deployed and educated more than 85,000 students through these things. And again, these are the students who doesn't have the capability, and also they are underprivileged and they don't have the access to the sufficient infrastructure from the technology and IT standpoint.
An easy and compact setup, the digital classrooms have made an impact far and wide. By word-of-mouth publicity, local mobilization drives from village to village, the HPE Social Good Initiative is making its mark one student at a time.
मोबिलाइजेशन जब हम करते हैं, उनको जाते हैं घर घर जाके, या कोई कम्युनिटी में प्रोग्राम रहता है वहाँ पे जाके उनको बताते हैं कि आपके लिए ये कोर्स है और ये कोर्स में हमें फ्री कॉस्ट रहता है। उनको हम जाके बताते हैं कि आपको इस कोर्स से करके क्या फ़ायदा होने वाला है। उनको हम या सेंटर पे बुला के उनको पढ़ाते हैं, उसके बाद उनको सर्टिफिकेट भी देते हैं। तो कुछ टेलरिंग काम हो या कुछ बनाना हो, हाथ से बनाना कुछ बनाना हो, तो वो देख सकते हैं, यूट्यूब पे आके यहाँ पे सीख सकते हैं। और कुछ स्टूडेंट हैं, उनको जॉब के लिए है या कोई मेल आईडी बनाना है, क्या सीखना है, तो तरह तरह की चीज़ें हैं ना, यहाँ पे आके वो सीखते हैं और उनको अच्छा लगता है और पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है यहाँ से।
At HP, our vision is to advance the way people live and work, and that is the guiding philosophy around everything that we do under corporate social responsibility. Our global citizenship charter comes under something which we call Living Progress, and the other part where HPE works is the HPE Foundation.
So reinvesting in the society where we live and work is a primary belief of everyone at HPE. This belief and the related responsibility is shared equally by all employees.
Spanning across states and regions, the HPE digital classrooms have seen a tremendous response from students.
We started working with HP for the community service projects since 2013-14, and finally we came up with a digital classroom at Dhaurar in I think 4 to 5 years back. And since then, I will say it has really transformed lives of many. And it primarily focuses on 3 aspects. One being giving the basic knowledge of the computers. Second is going a little ahead, where we say Saksharta. First program is called Pratham, second is Saksharta, and the third is where we empower them to give them some vocational training.
For any social initiative, it is important and necessary to have the right kind of funding available to develop and sustain a program.
We also support the operating expenses of these digital classrooms to ensure site sustainability, as well as support to the underprivileged classes of our society.
For HPE, the Social Good Initiative is all about giving back to the society.
Similarly, in the space of education, we have partnered with governments and leading NGOs in providing digital literacy as well as skill building. With the help of third-party agencies, we have built many digital classrooms and learning centers across the country.
So we spend the first year in terms of deploying the solution, operationalizing it, and then we hand this over to the government, and the government continues to facilitate some of these centers year in, year out. So that's the model that we engage with the government today. Now there are multiple advantages. The government is a very key partner here only because of the fact that they have the reach and the influence in some of these remote areas. And it's also a win-win, as in it's a win for HPE because it helps us serve our goals, and it also helps the government create employment opportunities for some of these rural areas, because doctors, technicians are required to run some of these facilities, and it really helps them out quite a bit.
In the smart classrooms, it improves learning ability. You can use, it's right from the edge to the core to the cloud platform. It allows you a lot of sharing of knowledge. You can target knowledge to the specific kids what they want to learn. You can also do a lot of security solutions and make the classroom secure using our video analytics things. We can also do things like automating the mundane work that a teacher has to do, so that teacher can focus only on learning of the kids.
The HPE Social Good Initiative has transformed the way New India dreams and is enabling them to turn their aspirations into reality, one individual at a time.